Today, we're taking a quick look at one of the most important components of any accounting system, the chart of accounts in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central.
Hello, and welcome to today's video brought to you by Davyn. I'm Sharice Biran, and in this session, we'll be diving into the finance module, specifically the chart of accounts within Business Central. Currently, I am on the home screen, which provides me with a high-level overview of relevant data for my department. From here, I'm going to show you the chart of accounts. To do this, I'm going to type in chart of accounts in my navigation bar. On the chart of accounts screen, I can see a listing of all the GL accounts for both the balance sheet and, if I scroll down a bit, the income statement. Anything with a blue hyperlink can simply be clicked to get further details. For this example, I'm going to show one of this demo company's sales accounts to view the transactions that total to our balance. Here we can see a list of the ledger entries that total to our balance that we just saw in the chart of accounts. From these ledger entries, if I select Find Entries, I can see even more details such as the subledgers that were affected, as well as the transaction itself. If this transaction was incorrectly posted, I can reverse this by selecting Correct, which will create a corrective credit memo, or I can go into one of these subledgers and select Reverse Transaction. This process just shown displays one example of the seamless integration of modules within Business Central that can reduce time taken to complete tasks, which would improve the overall organizational efficiency. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. If you have any questions or would want to learn more about how Davyn and Microsoft can support your business, please reach out to us. We'd love to chat. And remember, we're here to help you run your business better.